Vehicle which is believed to link to the abduction of a woman found abandoned. Hi again and welcome. This is Links 007 TV News Report, and we'll be right back with the full details to come. Welcome to Links 007 TV News Report, providing you with the best in local and international news updates. This is a place where you can get the most reliable and informative news information. Links 007 TV News Report. Welcome back and thanks for joining us. This is Links 007 TV News Report. The police have said that they have found a vehicle which they believe could be linked to the abduction of a woman in St. Andrew last month. She is Lorna Robertson, a Jamaica Labour Party worker. It's reported that Ms. Robertson was abducted by individuals in a van in the vicinity of Downer Avenue in the Swallowfield area on Friday, May the 30th. CCTV footage of the incident has since gone viral on social media.
They found a vehicle and investigating it and processing it to see if it is the vehicle. So we're just doing what we need to do to get more information to make a determination.
The video shows a woman appears to be Miss Robertson walking along the roadway when a van drove up beside her. A man who was also walking along the roadway pulled Miss Robertson inside the vehicle. The vehicle then sped away. Ms. Robertson has not been seen or heard from since. Jamaica Labour Party caretaker for South East St. Andrew has called on the police to leave no stones unturned in bringing those to justice. Speaking with reporters yesterday evening, head of the St. Andrew Central Police Superintendent Mark Harris said that the vehicle was found abandoned. He said that the police are continuing with their investigation. This has been Links 007 TV News Report. Thanks for watching.